past few years have been a little bit tough for me. I have many small gaps and short employments in my career. I even have a huge 2-year career gap due to some health issues. However, I think the dark times are now behind me. Hi, I'm Gordana Vujec. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and working as a business analyst at Revarture. This is my second job since I completed the postgraduate program in Business Analytics by Simplilearn with PGP University in December 2021. My experience with Simplilearn was great. The live classes were my favorite because they were very interactive and I could connect with the instructors. The course had a comprehensive curriculum. I could also record the classes for future reference. The final project were practical and advantageous, with flexible deadlines for competition. My understanding of all the concepts was enhanced as a result of this. I'm certified Scrum Master, ECBA, Product Owner, and Agile Coach. In the near future, I would like to see myself grow as a business analyst. To be totally honest with you, reviving my professional career was not an easy task. But life goes on, and you need to trust yourself and keep pushing. It doesn't matter how challenging the path may be. Keep upskilling, and one day you will achieve success in life.